Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best spray mop. Here are the top 3 spray mops that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. VENETIO Premium Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. It features a washable pad that can be removed for machine washing, as well as an adjustable spray nozzle. It is a floor mop that uses water and cleaning solution to remove dirt. It has an ergonomic handle for greater control, 2-in-1 washable pad, and refillable spray container. Its mop head can be flipped in order to clean on both sides of the room or flipped back to use as a handheld duster. This product is great for hardwood floors, tile, linoleum, vinyl, and other sealed surfaces. At number 2. Swiffer WetJet Wood Floor Mopping and Cleaning Starter Kit. It is a mop and cleaning system that uses water to clean away dirt and grime. It's safe for sealed wood floors, including bamboo, hardwood, laminate, stone or tile. You can use it on your kitchen floor as well as all other types of floors in the house. It has a built-in scrubber pad that removes tough stains like peanut butter or ground-in dirt from high-traffic areas. With its patented non-stick pads, you'll never have to worry about getting your hands dirty again while mopping. At number 1. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. It is a premium spray mop designed for hardwood floors. It has an ergonomic handle and a soft, padded head to help your hands feel less fatigued during use. This floor cleaner can be sprayed on the surface of your floor and then wiped with the microfiber pad, which traps dirt particles in its fibers. You can adjust the nozzle to be wide or narrow depending on how much area you want to cover in your home. This product also comes with a second microfiber cloth that can be used to wipe away any excess water. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.